Alex? What? You're gonna puke because you won't fucking calm down. Fucking stop now. Dude, do you just like getting your fucking ass beat?
Your voice, I'm talking to Alexavier.
Yes.
And this is the incident where you admitted to law enforcement that you disciplined Alex or flew off the handle beyond a normal spanking, correct?
I didn't discipline him.
Well, that was just what you testified to. What you told law enforcement was that, was there ever...
Put him in his car or in his seat and buckled him.
Your response to law enforcement, Mr. Pedron, on February 21st was, the question was, quote, did you ever punch, hit, kick Alex outside of normal discipline for like a spanking? And your response was, quote, yeah, there was one time I flew off the handle a little bit, but that was the last time and it was a long time ago, end quote. Did I read that correctly, sir?
Yes.
That is Derek Pedron testifying on day 3 on the case against Josie Dikeman. If you haven't been following the case, I'll give you a recap. Josie is being charged with allegedly taking the life of her stepson, Alexavier, back in 2023. She is stating that she is completely innocent and that who hurt him was the father. The thing is that the father was arrested the day before. The father was arrested because he was released from jail due to a domestic violence arrest, and there was a no contact order in relation to her. However, he still went to the house. The police that testified on day 3 shared that they received a call from the child's grandmother, a maternal grandmother, asking for a welfare check. They coincidentally go to check on Alexavier. What happened? Derek was there. He was not supposed to be there. They arrested him immediately. However, they did state that when they saw Alexavier, he was in bed. She shares that he is sleeping. They noticed that he had kind of like a bruise on his eye. However, it was scab. They had a scab, so they knew it had happened a few days before. They saw his legs bruised, didn't think anything of it, and that was all. However, what's interesting about all of this is that the defense advises that the reason she couldn't have done this is because she's never treated Alexavier incorrectly. She's always treated him like she treats her other kids. Even though Alexavier's mother actually beat her with a bat, which is why Alexavier is now with his mom, she was in jail for causing her blunt force trauma. And also the fact that Derek beat the child the day before, the day that he was arrested, like a few hours before they arrived. That is why the child passed. He had a concussion, and it took a day or so for the effects. What are your thoughts on this?